Hi, I'm Vanessa and I'm a teacher. Who doesn't love slime? I'm going to show you how you can use Elmer's Slime Starter Pack from YPO this Halloween. Find a container to mix your slime in and empty the contents of Elmer's clear glue into the container. Add a pinch of Elmer's gold glitter glue, a tube of Elmer's green glitter glue, and a tube of dark glitter glue. Empty the whole bottle of Elmer's magical liquid into the mixture, a little at a time, mixing between. Continue to stir until fully mixed, and the slime will start to become hard as it forms. Remove the slime from the container and knead until you get the right consistency. Remember, the children can add their own spooky accessories to make their slime even scarier. Elmer's Slime Starter Pack is so simple to use. It's a lot of fun and it's something the kids can really get stuck into.